Alright, so to remove it, all you need to do is 3 bolts right here. Don't be like me, I thought it was the downpipe over there. Or, yeah, the downpipe. It's actually right here, right before the wheels. Right here, you can take the plastic piece out if you would like, but I'm a little lazy. So, it's 3 bolts, I just put PB blaster. It's a 14, and it took those 3 out. It's a 1-piece, so it goes all the way to the back. And it's plugged into hangers. There's a hanger here that goes with this one, the 2 little sticks, whatever you want to call it, and then that. Those rubber things are annoying, and they're really hard to come out. I did the first set in the rear first. Try to get one, I got one out. Then the other one I couldn't get out, so I did the other set. Got those out, and then I was able to take this one out. So it's here now. So let's put on the new one. So Remark gives you their own hardware with some flanges. Boom, boom. I am working in a limited space right now, so excuse me. So we got it in. I'm using the paint can because I just didn't have anything else. I was using the jack for this, and then just thought the jack would be impractical to put it down here. But I got the bolts in. I'm gonna do that side now and then lock them in. Alright, so it's all pretty much connected now. This is how it looks. Everything just needs to get tightened, and we will hear the first start. So it was kind of tricky. I have it on jack stands, and I have just minimum clearance. So if by any means you can get a quick jack or take it to a lift or have ramps, then that'll be the ideal situation. I did the best that I could in my situation. Don't recommend it. It was really hard. This job should at least take 30 minutes, but it at least took me an hour and a half. The rubber pieces are the biggest issue to me. Everything else, it was just 3 bolts in the back, and then everything else is just a rubber piece. The rubber grips that hold the exhaust. One of them was already broken on my side. Well, not my side, my passenger side. So that one came off easily. And these are 14s. Everything that connects here, 14 down there. So I'm gonna use these wrenches to tighten these up, and use the drill to tighten up the one in the front. Hey guys, so we did finalize the Remark Exhaust on the Civic. I didn't get to record an outro because I ran out of space again on my phone, and the GoPro died. So hope you enjoyed the video. It was pretty quick, so I hope I was able to touch everything on this video in regards to the exhaust. It was a pretty simple install, and I hope it goes easier for you than it did for me. So far, it's been probably like a week or so with the exhaust. So far it's pretty well, it's held up. Not sure I think it's a subtle sound, nothing too obnoxious and nothing too low quality. I think this is just right. I think one of the nuts are loose because I'm hearing some rattles, and I think I have an exhaust leak, so I must have missed something. So I'm gonna go back to that and kind of tighten that up. But so far so good. Remark, yeah, created a great exhaust, and I think it's something that's just right for the car. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely subscribe, drop a comment, tell me what's your favorite exhaust, and let us know what we should do next on the Civic. We're not sure. We're still juggling the idea of trading the Civic in. If we can get a good offer from our dealership, then we will. But so far, we're keeping it, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.